Yo, it's your boy Cam doing another video. In today's topic, we are going to talk about Lambda School Build Week, the pilot. So, this past week, I did the Lambda School Build Week, the pilot for the part-time. First time that any of the part-time people did a build week. And it was pretty interesting, I think. You know, all my teammates were amazing. I've never been part of a team before, so I think there was a little learning curve on like getting on the same page on a lot of things because I don't know about you, but when I have a vision, even if I'm on a team, I like to see that vision out. And a lot of times when you're on a team, your teammates have different ideas that may be different from your own. And you kind of have to figure out what ideas work well and what ideas that you can maybe, use something here and there, maybe, tweak some things, or maybe not even use the idea at all. Because at the end of the day, you're building your part of the app. And as long as it looks good, that's all that matters. But you also have to take into account the feelings of your team and don't step on people's toes when things aren't going the way that you want it to. I was the UI guy, like I said before. We also had a front-end guy, a back-end guy, and we also had a scrum master. And all of us kind of come together to build an app from scratch. And I think the hardest thing that I had going for me was just, like I said, come up with a design. Because my PM or my scrum master that I had, I had a vision, but I really didn't. I don't know. Maybe I just didn't explain it very well. And I think towards the end, he saw the vision I had and he saw what I did, but he was real nervous. I could just tell. Like, he didn't know how I was going to be able to pull it off. So I did a carousel, but it was like a half and half. Like half of the page was like the description of the app, and the other half was like a carousel of pictures showing the different scenery that is there, nature scenery that there is. And I also made it responsive. And I think the hardest thing that I had going for me this past week was doing the carousel. That was tough. And then also doing the hamburger menu, because I want to do it from scratch. I didn't want to do like an icon, because those could go either way. And maybe I should have and maybe have more time to actually work on the design aspect. But I wanted to show my skills. Go hard or go home. Don't be scared to do something that maybe won't work, because you can always go back. Because we had 2 weeks to do the project. And I think the biggest thing that maybe should be improved for the next build week is maybe getting the UI people more involved. Because I feel like the first week or so, I was kind of on my own. Like, everyone else had their own thing, so I wasn't trying to, I guess, waste time by, giving my thoughts on different things. Because, like I said, we only have 2 weeks to do it. And the back end is probably the hardest part that you have to do. And the front end, he had to do a lot of the React stuff. And I just had to do the design. So as long as I came up with the design, everything else was good. But I appreciate the opportunity. It was amazing. I learned a lot, being on the team. And everybody was amazing, like I said before. And also, hit the like button, subscribe, check me out another video. Also, I'm going to have it in my description. I'm going to show the link. I'm going to put the link for everyone who wants to see the end result of the project that we did. I thought it looked really good. Like I said before, I think the carousel was probably the best part of it. Best part of the app. I can't even talk right now. Sorry about that. And I feel like, anyone who wants to do the build week in the future, or anyone who does do the build week in the future, I think everybody's now doing the build week now. Hopefully you watch this video, you get something out of it. I know I was rambling a little bit, but I think I hit all of the major points that you need to know in the future. And just good luck. Anyone who's joining Lambda, anyone who already has been a part of Lambda, All you guys are amazing. All you guys have definitely helped me get to another level, and convinced me to stick through it no matter what, even on the hardest times, even times where I may be wanting to give up. But I appreciate all y'all, and check y'all later. Peace.